Hey guys, how's it going? This is Ali from the AI Enthusiast, and today we'll be talking about image upsampling, basically taking an image that's smaller and making it larger while you maintain your resolution. One of the ways to do it is using a model that Stability AI trained, which is a startup. This is their website. And one thing I really love about Stability AI is they basically are committed to building open source models, so machine learning capabilities that other people can use. And so the one that I'm going to be referencing is going to be this website here. It's available. It's a model that they trained, and it's freely available under Creative ML Open Real license. And I'm actually, what I've done is I've taken this code and I've put it into a particular Google Colab notebook, and the link is in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. But basically, I'm going to run this through with you so you can see how you can upsample an image, and we can take it from there. Before we get started, I just want to highlight that Stability AI in the past week, actually, they announced that they have the they're hosting this capability for you to use, and also the Upscaler. This capability is also inside of tools like Blender and whatnot, and I think Photoshop as well. So this is the website you can visit if you want to call on their API. You can see, depending on the Upscaler model that you're using, like the capability specifically and the resolution, you're going to have some sort of cost associated with the call. And this, you can see as an example, it takes a smaller image and makes it larger. What we have here is like I think a less up-to-date version of the model of the capability, and also this is updating to like roughly 500 by 500 pixels. But please take a look at Stability AI, visit their website, and if you need to use their capability, definitely sign up. And they have good tutorials on how to actually call this software here. So yeah, guys, let's get started with the tutorial. So it's very simple. You're going to actually come here and you're going to allocate a machine in the cloud so that you can use it for this particular application. So you're just going to go to change runtime type. Make sure this is GPU. Make sure this is T4. Save, and then reconnect, or it'll say connect. And once it's done connecting, the first thing you have to do is install software. So you just do Shift Enter on this block. Okay, nice, it's done running. It took roughly about 30 seconds, as it says here. Then we can go to the next step. So this is actually going to take the small image and going to upsample it. The image that we have here, if I click on this follow link, you can see when I download it, it's a small image and it's got a little, it's got a white cat inside of it. So this is what we're gonna increase in size. So that's the link here on this line. This is the publicly available URL, and that's the prompt you specify. And this, with this information, it's going to spit out a larger image. So now that I've clicked inside of here, press Shift Enter, and then this is going to take some time. It's going to actually download the model itself, so like the machine learning capability that the researchers had trained up. So it's doing all of that. And then on top of that, then it's actually going to run that capability. It's going to take that image and it's going to upsample it. Nice. So that took about a minute, guys. And you can see it's downloading a bunch of things, and then it actually goes through the process of upsampling. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press into this box and you're going to do Shift Enter. This is going to show you that we have the image stored, the upsampled image. And then this is on the next block, it's going to show that image to you. So you can Shift Enter, you can see this is a 500 by 500 sized image, and you can see how it's been upsampled by the model. And then over here, this is the older image. I'm going to click on this and press Shift Enter. And you can see this is a little bit blurrier. So this has much better resolution. And then also this is a 120 by 120 image, as you recall from what we downloaded. So that's it, pretty much. That's all you got to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just show the second example for you. So when you find an image that you're interested in, you can copy the image address, and then I can take this URL, I can plug it in here, and then you describe it. So this is no longer a white cat. I could say an elephant in water. I hope I spelled that right. And you can see it's going to rerun. If I do Shift Enter here, you can see this is the upscaled image. And then if I do the original image, it's blurrier. Now, one thing here, this is actually artificially, it's also sampling down. So even if you had a larger image over here, this is a larger image, it's going to sample it down to 128 by 128. So it's going to make it a smaller image. And then from that smaller image, as you can see here, it's going to upsample it to a 500 by 500 image. Now, if you want more resolution and all of that stuff, and also you want to call this in real software, then you're definitely going to want to use their actual API. This is just to kind of give you an idea of what the capability is. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Please like and subscribe if you can. It always helps me out, and I'll see you next time. Take care.